birds?
Well, I think
You can all eat
that
them.
one, like potato.
Alright, they're beets. What do you think they do with their beets? What do you think they do?
Or you can lay it in the plate.
You can put like are they close or are they usually kind of far? Yeah, that's alright. So look, friends, do you see their beaks in the book? Yeah, and their feet are on top. That's all their different beaks. There are a lot of beaks. That is an eagle beak. Very good. See, that's an eagle's beak. And look, see, that's a woodpecker's beak, and the woodpecker's got a pointy beak. And he can and get the worms out. Just because that's a cross beak, and their beaks kind of go like this, so that they can like get their food out.
And make sure that goes back in.
And the eagle has got a sharp point on his beak.
Don't mix the paint colors together, so all of your bird this whole egg should be blue.
No, we're gonna take this together. This one is a scarlet. They kind of look like flamingos a little
No,
bit.
don't paint them two different colors.
They're colors.
The paint is on the brush and then it goes down in here.
That's the eagles. That's their feet. So that's what we're gonna do.
Messes up the paint.
All right. So I want. So everybody's drinking out of tea. Everybody's got a bowl. And with your bowl, you're gonna put your food in it like you were a bird, okay? Yes, you each have one of those. Okay. But we're not gonna use our hands. We're gonna use
Okay, just a solid red bar.
clothespins.
That's good. Actually,
Like-
that's really good.
They were our bees.
Alright,
No, you use your hand to do it, okay? This way. Where the big top spots at the top. Okay, has everybody got it? Alright, everyone practice pinching with me. So we can practice like we're birds.
Y'all don't have any pink out here, do you? Pink bird.
Yeah, careful. Alright. Don't pinch your fingers with it, alright? We gotta be careful. So let's keep our fingers away from the pinching. Or be like a bird that gets you. Okay? So first we'll let everyone take a practice turn, alright? Alright, Olivia, try to get something. Use your bird beak to pull something out of the ground like you're a bird.
Here, let's get the orange. I did not go pick it back off.
It's hard, isn't it? Ooh, you got a little buzz. You gotta put it in your bowl. It's like your bird now.
Look, see what happened? Look, stop. See what happened? Somebody put the blue and the green.
It's kind of hard.
Now I'm going to go wash it and make sure that your brush goes in the color that it's supposed to be. I'm going to wash it so that after we get all of them painted, then you can clean your hands.
Alright. What are you gonna try? You try to get a worm or a bug? Wait, this is the worm, baby. That's the green. Purple worm? You got purple worm. That's okay. Sometimes birds eat a little bit of the green. Right. Open it up, Madison. What color paint do you want? Good job. Wait, just one at a time. See, it's hard because sometimes when you're really hungry, you can only get one at a time with that little bead. I think if you're really hungry, sometimes you can put more than one of your things in your mouth, right? Alright, here you go. I got it. What are you going to try to put? Oh, leave the ground in there. You're going to leave the ground on the ground. There you go. I'll hold it.
You got two more. What color you going to pick?
Switch it this way some.
Red.
Try to get. You need maybe a bigger bug to go for. Alright, you can put some bigger bugs in.
Here, actually, you got so much right here. Now be careful, don't
Big
put
purple. Let's see if we can find a big
so you
purple
pick it
bug.
up and you get paint.
I don't think we have any more big purple bugs. Look at this big pink one.
Pretty messy.
You gonna eat them up? Open it up wide. There you go. Alright, hey dearie, get another one.
Color you want to do? Red, yellow?
Alright, Michaela.
Yellow one's not.
It's you. It's you. You got a purple worm?
Yellow?
Alright, friends. Before we keep getting bugs, what did you notice about using your beak to get the food? Sit your beak down for just a minute so we can talk about that. Yes, Madison, what did you
Okay,
notice?
wash your hands. Walk
Well, you
around
can
and
click,
wash
yeah,
your
they click them, but what else, what did you notice?
You want yellow over here?
Oh, it's me. It's me.
Hold on just a minute.
To like pick our food up with their mouth. But it's so easy.
They don't need to, just leave that one in there. You just pick out the one you need.
They don't
See?
have to bend all
Here,
the way down
like
and
here.
pick it up with their mouth.
Yep, that's true, very good. What? Stand, Olivia, don't.
Wait a minute.
Oh my goodness. Olivia, what did you notice about using your beak? Was it easy or hard to
Say
do?
the right
Was?
here. You don't need those.
So look, you and another beak we didn't talk about was
Well,
the pelican.
you
You
don't.
know what pelicans do? They do grab fish, but do you know what they do? So their beak is kind of like, it kind of looks like this. When we see it flying, you know? But then when they scoop down to get their water, with the fish in it, it gets big like this. So then, like, let's pretend that all of these were fish swimming. That the pelican first, it looks like he's not gonna be able to fit it in. Watch. This is what he does. He scoops down, and then it's like his beak gets bigger. And look, it has like a big fish in it.
Can you turn it over and paint the other side?
So we're all gonna take a turn being a pelican. Look, what does a pelican do? Put your first beak down. Alright, so look, what does a pelican do?
Will you bring my phone so I can take a picture? Thank you.
Come on, go ahead and do your work. I'll come and check on you,
It
okay?
opens up and gets bigger, doesn't it?
What is your
So
favorite
when
color?
we eat food, does our tummy get feel like it gets bigger?
We're paying too.
Did y'all make them yourself?
Exactly, that's what it is like with a pelican. That it's when their beak looks
Because
so
we had to put enough
full,
paint in there
like
so
it's
you
gonna
could
bust.
paint the
Yes,
egg.
Madison.
Yeah,
What? What kind of birds? Well, a pelican kind of goes in the water and swim real. Ducks swim, swans swim, geese swim. Ostrich? I've never seen an ostrich swim. Well, that is a good research question, though. How we doing, Miss Caitlin? On the still time.
We have 8 minutes.
very good. Thank you for helping. They look kind of like marbles, don't they?
Alright, y'all pick up your beak of trout.
Are you finished?
So let's see.
Don't hold too long because they could
So
flip
you know what
off.
else the birds use their beaks for? They do. Do you want to hear something cool about a toucan? Do you know what a toucan is? It's like on the box of Fruit Loops, that guy. Did you notice what his beak does? Okay, I'm going to find a picture of his beak. Did you notice that his beak has a black tip on it? So that when he sleeps, look, this is like, pretend that my hand is his
That one's
wing.
ears are drying quick.
So when the toucan sleeps,
Maybe you
a
can-
little bit of
I
his
think yours are gonna take a
beak
while.
sticks out. He don't want people to know he's asleep after he eats all the fruit. So under his wingtip, you can't see it because it
I like
looks
the
just
yellow
like
one. Are they supposed to swap?
part of his beak.
Okay, I'll look.
Alright, my friends, are you ready to
Wash
rotate?
your hands. Okay.
Yes. Alright, so friends, put your first food back
I'm
here.
gonna
So
swap.
your other
So
friend,
you need
bird
to
friends
wash
can
your
keep
hands.
it.
Go around and wash your hands. Don't touch anything.
Put it in here. Alright, take one more bite. Oh, here. You can,
Wash your hands. Okay, now. Ryan, no, you're eight. No, I do not. You're eight. Okay.
Alright, friends, alright, leave the food right there. here, okay? Alright, so Lauren, are you having them go this way?
They were done first, so I just swapped them.
Okay, they're done.
Okay, well, we can swap. They're done over here.
Okay, switch, go to Miss Kendrick's table.
You can hit him right over there. Did I say McCabe Lynn? Look for one just like that for Lynn on there.
Go to Miss Kendrick's table. Alright, boys can sit down.
Go make your name. Okay.
Who else is at y'all's table? It's Katie and Ashton.
They're right here. They're drying.
Ashton, are you ready to come?
Leave them right here and let them dry.
And Miss Kendrick, who else is at your table?
No, she's not painting yours.
Mariah, come to Miss Katie.
You painted orange over there. It's drying.
Come to me.
It's super drying, okay?
Mariah, come here.
Mariah,
You
you're
sit
not
your egg down. And who else are gonna do? Was it just those three?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, go to Miss Lauren, Kaden.
Yes.
Alright, buddy.
Where's Ashton supposed to go next?
Where did he just come from? You?
Yeah, the eggs.
Go to Miss Lauren. Go to Miss Lauren, Ashley. Alright, guys.
Okay, y'all be
So
here.
what have we been talking about this week? Birds. And what do birds eat with? Very good. So let's look at these different pieces.
And once you get the crown, you can go wash your hands.
Y'all two can do the
So if
bird.
you get on, you don't okay. Just don't
The different things, how they're designed differently. What? Some of them have long beaks, some of them have short beaks.
Yes. Actually, say so take some glue and paint your eggs.
That's a pellet.
Or pretend. Here, you
That one is and that's a flamingo. Look, there's a parrot. See, the parrot's beak kind of goes like this so that he can crack the food with it. The eagle has a sharp point. Look, and the woodpecker's beak goes like this, pointy at the end, kind of like that. So when he does like this on the tree, well, it doesn't hurt. Well, it doesn't hurt the tree, but he makes ways to get the little bugs out of the tree that could eat the tree all up. That's their feet. See, there's a duck foot and an ostrich and a buzzard and a thrush. They need to cut their toes. That might be right. All right. So guess what we're gonna do? You know what we're gonna do today? We're gonna pretend to eat like birds. So everybody, when everybody beat, hold it like that. Let that dry. Kind of like, all right. So everybody, let's practice. Hold it in your hand like this. There you go. Everyone practice pinching. All right. So I'm gonna take the bowl around. And look. So the pom-poms are gonna be bugs, and we got worms in here. So I want you to pretend. They're not real worms. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna pretend that you're a bird, and I want you to. I'm gonna bring you. Don't pinch your nose with it, please. We're gonna put, and everyone's gonna take a turn getting a bug out. Okay? All right, buddy. No, that's the ground. So we don't want to get the ground. We just want to get either a worm or a bug. The bugs are the ones like this.
At least I got it for sale.
All right, put it in your bowl, buddy. There you go.
You were turning over and paint them
All right, put them in your bird bowl. So it's like
around.
tummy.
You get on your paint.
Well, he can do whatever color he wants. There's no girl and boy color. It can be anybody's color.
Okay.
That's the same color as the Lakers were in the Lakers are. Girls, are they? We're going to try for a small one. Good job, buddy. All right, Gerald, you can try with this time.
Okay, go wash your hands. Don't look. I mean, do not turn the water really high when it's flat. And turn it down low when you turn it on.
Well, use your beak. Gerald, use your beak. Use it to get a worm. You can get another worm. Try to get this pink one right. Pinch it.
That's good, right there. That's good.
They like the same.
Thank
Use your
you.
beak. Use your beak. Look up, pinch it. There you go.
real life an ostrich.
Wait, wait till it's your turn to pick up something.
I think you have too much. Push some of that off.
I don't think those two would ever be together in real life.
Good job. All right, you ready?
I like the same.
Leave your food in your bowl.
Neither you are.
You're gonna be a hungry bird. Ooh, good job. Here, I'll get you a bigger one.
There's one paper towel right there.
Here. Aiden. Big places with Rob.
That big old fat bug. Okay. With the bug. Oh, put it back in and use your beak, baby. Put the big pink one back in. Alright. Pick the big yellow. Well, he has the big one.
I'll fix it for you.
Alright. There you go. Eat it. There's a few different. That's what birds sometimes have to do. They just dig deep in the ground to get it. Oh, hitch it once you pick it up. Hitch it now. Let go.
Look, you got your
Hitch
spot.
it. Let go of it.
Don't leave it here for right now.
Good job.
Use your binoculars and look at your eggs. Don't touch them.
That's the ground. You're not the ground. You're going to birds. I like birds.
Your eggs are right there.
Yes, the dirt. I like
Smack the bird eggs.
Try a different one. Sometimes you can't get that one.
You're doing it yourself. Good job.
Oh, you gotta see
Good job. All right, dry say you're
I got you.
All right, let go of it. Let go of it.
Water on it. Got it.
That's awesome. All right, so everyone sit your feet down for just a minute. What did you notice? We're gonna keep playing. What did you notice about using your beak? Sit it down, buddy. Sit your beak down. Yeah, it does. Was it easy or hard? It was it easy to use this always though? It was for you? The little ones were hard to do, weren't they? The big ones weren't hard. Okay, y'all want to get some more? Alright. Be careful.
It's 18.
Oh, you stop it.
Alright.
Alright, buddy.